Hey everybody, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can recover a deleted story on your Instagram profile. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly so you can make sure that this method works for you too. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and download the Instagram application if you haven't already. After doing that, you want to log in to your existing account or create a new account depending if you already have an account on Instagram. So after doing that and entering the application, we will be greeted by this main page here. So if you have already posted a story, if not, go ahead and post a story that you want to delete and test this out, or if you already deleted the story, follow the next instructions. But yeah guys, you can see I have already posted a story right here on my Instagram page, and now I'm going to be deleting it to show you how you can recover this story. So clicking the three dots in the lower corner, this will open up the settings tab, and I will be clicking on the delete button and confirming I want to delete this story. So as you can see guys, now this story has been deleted from my Instagram page. It's just loading, so let's wait for it to load and for it to delete. So yeah guys, you can see the story has been deleted. Now we want to click on our profile picture in the lower bottom corner. This will open up our profile tab. As you can see here now guys, this is our profile tab, and we want to click on the three lines in the upper right corner, as this will open up the settings tab. Clicking on the three lines, this has opened up a new array of options that we can choose what we need. We want to click on the third option, which is called your activity. Clicking your activity will enable us to return our story. So let's click on your activity, and now as you can see guys, we have brand new options. So the next thing we want to do is scroll down a bit so we can find the option that we need. After scrolling down, you can see the almost last option is called recently deleted. We want to enter that option right here, the recently deleted option. Clicking on recently deleted, I can see the stories that I have deleted in the last 30 days. So as you can see guys, this is the story that I have just deleted, and I'm going to enter that story. As you can see here guys, this is the story, and we want to click on the three dots in the lower bottom corner, and this will open up our options tab. So clicking on more, I have the option to delete this story permanently and remove it forever, or I have the option to restore the story to my story, and people can again see my story that I have deleted. So let's go ahead and click on the restore option. Clicking on restore, just confirm that you want to restore the story. Clicking on restore, as you can see guys, this is now updating, and as you can see guys, now the story has been returned to my profile. So let's go back to the main page, and you guys, as you can see, the story has been returned to my Instagram account, and now people again can see my story. So guys, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video, and take care.